Hi everyone, I'm Vivien Cow.
I'm Julia Dang.
And I'm Juliana Phan. Join us today as we solve some chem mysteries about the elements in the periodic table.
Okay, first off is an alkali metal in group 1 and period 4, potassium. Discovered in 1807, potassium has an atomic number of 19 and is very reactive, so it's not found in nature in its pure form. Potassium is also the 8th most abundant element in the Earth's crust and is found in all cells as potassium ions. It's used in gunpowder, soap, and fertilizers and occurs in naturally high amounts in bananas. It is non-toxic but can be dangerous at high levels. Potassium is extracted by heating potassium carbonate with charcoal. This picture is not really accurate, but it gives a general idea. Next is gold, a transition metal in group 11 and period 6. Since the prehistoric times, people have used gold as decorations, jewelry, and a money standard. It occurs in natural states in veins and deposits, but mining for it destroys landscapes and creates toxic waste. With its high conductivity, it is used in computers and electrical connections, but it doesn't spark any health problems in humans. Isn't that gold? Bismuth is a highly reactive metal in group 15 and period 6. Occurring naturally in ores, it's extracted by being separated from other metals like lead, copper, silver, and tin through a process called Betterton-Crawls, where calcium or magnesium form alloys with bismuth and are later extracted. Bismuth is combined with tin to make fire extinguishers, and its ionic compounds are used in cosmetics and medicine. The Incas used it to make knives. As of now, there are no known effects of it on ecosystems and human health.
Tellurium is a rare metalloid in group 16 and period 5. It's usually found as a gray powder in minerals. It's also extremely dangerous during fetal development, and slight exposure can cause bad garlic-like breath. But it also has some use in making CDs. Discovered in Romania in 1783, tellurium is now extracted during the refining process of copper. If we swim on over to the other side of the periodic table, we can see bromine, which is commonly found in and extracted from the ocean. Located in group 17 and period 4, bromine is a toxic halogen that can irritate the eyes, throat, and skin. Though it can be dangerous, small amounts are always in the body. It is used to make insecticides, medicines, and film photography.
Now we're rushing over to period 7 in group 15 of the periodic table, where moscovium is. Created in 2010 by scientists in Russia, California, and Tennessee, it's a synthetic metal made by combining calcium ions with americium atoms. Since only a few atoms have ever been made, for the most part, moscovium remains another chemistry that we have to wait to be solved. Transitioning into the inner transition metals, ytterbium is a lanthanide in period 6. It's used to improve stainless steel and help develop a portable X-ray that does not rely on radiation. It was first discovered in Ytterby, Sweden, but today, the biggest producers are China, Russia, and Malaysia. Because it's rare, it was hard to extract, but now the ion exchange and solvent process makes it easier to separate all the rare metals from each other. Finally, let's shine some light on neon, a noble gas in group 18 and period 2. Although it's the 5th most abundant element in the universe, it only makes up a small part of Earth's atmosphere. Companies commonly use it to make neon signs, but it's also useful in diving equipment. It's extracted along with helium through distillation of liquid air, and charcoal gets rid of the helium without hurting the environment.
That's all we have for today.
I hope you enjoyed unraveling the chem mysteries of the elements with us.